Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation. We will be confirming or checking how Protastructure sizes part footing in this lesson, and we are going to be checking that manually using the soil bearing capacity and the axial load. I'm self-freezing. Stay tuned and let's start. All right, so for us to do that, at first we will be considering this simple shop structure. This structure has been designed, it has been analyzed and designed successfully, and I have already placed the pad foundation successfully as well. So we'll be considering this structure. Straight away, the first thing we need to do is to go straight to the building set out. We want to check the soil bearing capacity value. So go to building set out. That parameter, click right there. The parameter dialog, go straight away to foundations. The allowable stress of soil equals 140 kilonewton per meter square. And so take note of that, 140 kilonewton per meter square. All right, we click on OK. OK that, OK it again. And so after which I will need to navigate to the zero level, click right there and navigate to the plan view of that. And here we have this. Alright, so after having this, if you check very well, the axial load is not actually on it. Alright, there is no axial load, and so we want to be enabling the axial load, the load that has been decomposed from the roof to the foundations. So for us to actually make it active on this foundation floor plan, we'll go straight away to active window setting, click right there. In the setting dialog, select column display and then axial load, check that. So if I move this thing towards this direction, you can see the axial load right there, this one. Okay, so I will click on OK. All right, so having these two, we will be considering these two, using these two to confirm this size is like for this particular footings. You can see the sizes is 1.5 by 1.5, and while this one is 1.2. The load that is coming to this one is 220.3 kilonewton. That's the load that's coming on this column. All right, and the one that's coming on this particular column is 354.1 kilonewton, and the size is 1.5. So we want to be using this load and the soil bearing capacity to confirm manually the size that we have seen here, as to confirm that yes, this 1.5 is actually correct. All right, so for us to go into that, we having identified and know the soil bearing capacity to be 140 kilonewton per meter square, and now we have also gotten the axial load. Okay, let's start the calculation. I want to be activating a calculator. All right, so what we need to do, or how we actually do it is you will use this axial load of 354.1. all right, divide it by the soil bearing capacity. Divided by this soil bearing capacity is 140 kilonewton per meter square, just like this, and after which click on the equals, and this will give you 2.5, approximately 2.5. all right, so for you to now get the actual footing size, you need to square the 2.5. okay, and so you click on the square there and then type 2.5 right there, and then click on equals to, and then if I should enable the decimal, you see it is 1.5. all right, very close to 1.6, but Protastructure does not actually round it up. Doesn't round up number when it comes to sizes footings. It will take the first decimal place. It is set to one decimal place, so that is why it is 1.5. So we have actually confirmed this footing size that Protastructure gave us to be 1.5. We have confirmed it is 1.5. So the same thing, we want to confirm this one as well. All right, for us to do that, we will actually clear the previous one, and the axial load there is 220.3. So put 220.3 right there, divided by the soil bearing capacity. So once you divide that, do equals to have a 1.57. All right, 1.57. So we are going to square this result to see if it will be in line with the 1.2 that Protastructure actually gives us. All right, so I will do square root of 1.5 and equals, and I'm having 1.22, which is the same thing Protastructure has given us right there. It is 1.2. All right, the same thing applicable to other columns. You can check them based using the soil bearing capacity and the axial load. For instance, this one is 1 meter. If you want to check this right there, you should just do your take the axial load 122.8 of the axial load, right, divided by the soil bearing capacity 140 equals, and then put the decimal point. You're having 0.87 right there. You can see 0.87. So you do the square root of that, 0.87, right, and then you do equals. So you're having 0.9. All right, this 0.9 now is now equivalent to 1 meter, which is this 1 meter you're having right there. So this is how to check manually the sizes of part footing generated by Protastructure. And on your own part too, in your manual calculation, this is also the simplest way you can also size your simple structure. Maybe you want to design it manually. All right, so I will bring the lesson to a stop here, and I will see you in the next lesson. Stay tuned and bye for now.